decided to enroll in CHCP because I researched them, and once upon a time I went to a university and it was just taking too long to accomplish what I was trying to do. I chose to become a medical assistant because I like helping others, and my reasonings really were because I work full-time, so I could only set aside so many hours a day towards the school, so my schedule is very flexible.
The reason why I chose the one day out of the week because it's helping me like with my job. It helps me balance school and my work.
I would recommend the one-day program because I feel like it's the most easiest program they offer in the day that they offer it. It's on a Friday, so everyone can, make the time to come here. So my future is to continue my education at CHCP, so I was interested in enrolling in that while working part-time at the hospital once I finished my externship here to continue my education to become an RN.